Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload high quality pictures to Facebook. Okay, here I have opened my Facebook application on my phone, and actually there is no setting to upload high quality pictures to our Facebook, but don't worry because I want to show you the tips. So first of all, let's just create a post. So we can tap on the post or the photo option right here. And then before you upload your photo or your picture to Facebook, you have to click on this setting option. And then make sure that you activate this additional data use. Okay, and right after you activate this option, your photo that you want to upload will be uploaded on the high quality. So we can just go back, then select the photo we would like to upload, and for example I'm just going to select this one. Okay, then after you're done, you can post this photo or this picture to your Facebook account. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can upload high quality pictures to Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.